Thank you to MRSI and the jury for nominating us in the COVID-19 award category. Our COVID-19 story is about how Q&Q chose to stay relevant during the lockdown periods by bringing field-level information to the agriculture industry. The lockdown period of April, May and June are the peak periods for the agriculture industry, being Rabi harvests and preparation for Kharif. It was at this time that they were left without any information, in the dark, finding strategies of how to place products, how to do promotional events. Q&Q decided to step in and intervene in this time. We launched Pragati, which were a series of newsletters bringing field-level information to the industry.
It was a sensitive project in the middle of a crisis. Datamatics took up the challenge and the impact was huge. In all, Datamatics helped over 600,000 migrant workers overcome hunger.
The BMC's COVID response project was about collecting citizens' information, asking for help. The project, which was more about a response center, was delivered with excellent KPIs using the principles of market research and consulting.
Very early on in the system, we realized that the number of repeat callers we were getting were far greater than what we should have expected. Hence, the insights from these presentations were presented to the Commissioner of BMC, who was thoroughly delighted to identify some of the blind spots that we came up with, and basis that the entire process was completely rejigged.
During the lockdown, we have distributed around 25,000 grocery kits to the beneficiaries identified through the BMC helpline. We remain committed to the cause of hunger and will continue to make a difference. We care.
March 2020. As COVID resulted in a national lockdown, several questions grappled a diversified conglomerate. How would all of this affect the consumer and customer at core? And how will it lead to opportunities in the new normal? This required granular, in-depth yet a nimble response, keeping in mind the customer centricity principle of respond today to what customers will want tomorrow. We started working on Current Vistas, a novel exercise in Aditya Birla Group. Its objective was to get a $44 billion conglomerate immediate future ready by identifying consumer-centric mega trends that provide long-term growth opportunities. A three-phase approach was taken. Phase 1, scanning and development. Since an initiative like this needs a multidisciplinary approach to analyze its various facets, a cross-functional core group was formed with representatives from multiple teams, harnessing the jugalbandi of active and passive research by listening, observing, learning. Mesh of old and new research methods were used. The core group interacted with multiple stakeholders in urban and rural markets across India, like the usual suspects. And some hatke ones too. Essentially trying to understand how will India live, work, eat, transact, commute, communicate, shop, travel, and so on. This was then converged into 9 mega trends customized for each Aditya Birla Group business. Outcome: 9 mega trends. 44 sub-trends. All of this since 7 months of inception. A significant culture change. Some quotes from businesses on the trends. Phase 2. Trends to ideation. Gamified workshops to make the ideation process fun yet provocative yet constructive. Workshops had a mix of age bands, cross-domain practices, young, mid and senior stakeholders. Outcome: tangible specific business spaces with clear business plans. Phase 3. Idea to action planning. Adoption of the trends by businesses leading to prototyping of 10 business ideas with a total potential of $1 billion in 5 years. However, Current Vistas is not just a one-time exercise, but a continuous process. Steps being taken to create a lasting culture change, making the trends viral through AVs, a central portal to act as a repository of trends, insights and ideas. Quarterly deep dives to explore and amplify specific trends, continuous track of consumer behavior to identify the lasting versus fleeting changes. Current Vistas is a journey and not the final destination.